Right. So today we want to discuss the 4 marks question in continuous, and all these questions are already previous years asked questions and very important. Today I want to discuss the 10 problems. Okay, these problems are completely very important to PU examinations. First problem. In your material, this question is 27 question. Okay, so f of x is equal to kx square if x less than or equal to 2, 3 if x greater than 2 is continuous at x is equal to 2, then find k value. So why I choose this first question is this is very easy question, but they are asking about 4 marks. So please note that point. First one. In any problem you want to write like this. The given function is continuous. So clearly f of x is continuous at x is equal to 2. Continuous at x is equal to 2, right? So that means limit x tends to 2, f of x is equal to f of 2. Now tell me what is f of 2. So here I want to calculate limit x tends to 2 f of x, right, and f of 2. So in this case the f of 2 value is, this is the definition of the function, right? So here I want to write k into 2 whole square, and the limit of the function remaining part, continuous means, okay, so the another part value is equal to 3. Is it okay for you? So this is 3. Once again I repeat the explanation. Here it is continuous, that means we have to take the left hand limit, right hand limit, and the function value, everything is equal. That is the meaning for this. So here what is the value of the function value? In this case I want to replace x by 2. So therefore k into 2 square, and left hand limit, right hand limit both are same. So that's why I want to take the value of limit x tends to 2, f of x is equal to 3. Now simplify. What happened? 3 is equal to 4k. K is equal to 3 by 4. This is easy. And here you want to write f is continuous. This is given, right? This is your first problem and this is carries 4 marks problem. Please note that point. Now I want to enter into the second question, and this is 28th question in your material. Second question, same like that. Sorry, the before one is 27, now it is 28. This is your second question, 28. f of x is equal to kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to pi, and cos x if x greater than pi. Now is continuous at x is equal to pi. This is given. It is continuous at x is equal to pi. Find k value. Again same format, right? I think almost all the problems are in the same level. Same level. So here limit x tends to pi f of x is equal to f of pi. This is the meaning for continuous. Same sentence ma. Since the given function f of x is continuous and x is equal to pi, means limit extends to pi, f of x is equal to pi. Now, so here I want to state that what is f of pi? Here the condition is 4 pi, yes or no, plus 1. Yes or no? This is the condition for that way. Now what is this? Here I want to check with limit x tends to cos x, right? So therefore limit x tends to pi, either plus or minus. Here I want to take greater than, that's why plus. It is cos pi. What is this? So we have to write here x, here cos pi. Cos pi is equal to 4 pi minus plus 1. What is cos pi? Tell me the value for this. So this is equal, minus 1 is equal to k pi plus 1. K pi is equal to minus 2. So k is equal to minus 2 by pi. Here I want to write f is continuous. Because of this I want to take f is continuous according to the definition of the continuous. This is the formula. So here I want to take this pi value is equal to, this is equality, right? So therefore I want to take this one is in the substitution, and here I want to take pi plus. Here take pi plus, pi minus, whatever there is, why? Continuous. So that's why I want to take plus. What is the plus means? Cos x. So please, here there is a one technique. What is that? I want to equate these two. That's enough. See, with pi. Every problem like this. Before problem also like this. Please see. And next problem also like that. Please see. So completed, right? I think no doubts. Third question. F of x is equal to 29. F of x is equal to kx plus 1 if x less than or equal to 5 and 3x minus 5 if x greater than 5. Now it is continuous and x is equal to 5. X is equal to 5. Find k value. Once again I want to find the k value. So since the given function is continuous and x is equal to 5, what is the formula? You want to write like that. See, here the equality condition is there. So that's why I want to substitute here the value is equal to k into 5 plus 1. Okay, now I want, this one is over, I want to use this. For that reason, limit x tends to 5 plus, what is f of x? It will be 3x minus 5. Are you understand? You want to use both. And here the continuous is already given. So that's why there is a chance is left hand limit is equal to right hand limit, that is equal to function value. You can choose any one of that. Right? So here I want to choose right hand limit is equal to function value. Now substitute 3 into 5 minus 5 is equal to 5k plus 1. So 15 minus 5 is 10 is equal to 5k plus 1. 5k is equal to 9. K is equal to 5 by 9. This is the answer for that question. 3 problems over. And all 3 problems in the same manner. Please see. Even all continuous, this 10 questions is like this only. And this much of easy is there. And it gives 4 marks. Please note that point. Next problem. F of x is equal to, this is pure problem number 30. F of x is equal to 5 if x less than or equal to 2. Ax plus b if 2 less than x less than 10. 21 if x is greater than or equal to 10. Now it is continuous any point. So it is continuous at 2, continuous at 10, continuous at 10, right? So therefore, now I want here, first of all I want to use these two. Then I got one equation. Next I use these two. Then I got one equation. I want to simplify, I get A and B. Here I want to find A and B. A and B when it is function is continuous. First of all, at x is equal to 2, that means here, these two functions. Okay, limit x tends to 2 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 2 plus f of x. That means I want to use here left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Yes, sir, you understand? So therefore, here the left hand limit is nothing but 5. And what is right hand limit? Limit x tends to 2 plus it will be ax plus b. So I got the equation substitution 5 is equal to 2a plus b. This is equation 1. Now same manner at x is equal to 10. Same. Limit x tends to 10 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 10 plus f of x. What is 10 minus? 10 minus is nothing but the same function. A x is equal to 10 plus b is equal to what is this? 21. Now this is equation 2. Now I want to simplify the two equations. What is the first equation? 2a plus b is equal to 5. And second equation 10a plus b is equal to 21. Subtract, b cancel, minus 8a is equal to. So by removing of this we get minus 16, right? So minus 16. So a is equal to 2. Substitute a value in equation, first equation. So you are substituting a value 2 into 2, 4 plus b is equal to 5. B is equal to 5 minus 4, that will be 1. So your answer is a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 1. Are you understand, ma? Here, this is the first step. We used, we get one equation and we are taking 10 is x is equal to 10. We use another same process, we get another equation 2. I want to simplify equation 1 and 2. Here we get a value 2 and b value 1. So this is your problem. And this is a 4 marks question and easy question. Right. Now, it is a very important question. They are giving number of times and also there is supply question also, this question only. You have to check with this answer. Answer is k is equal to 6, very important. In your material, this is 26th question. Here f of x is equal to k cos x by k cos x by pi minus 2x if x not equal to pi by 2, x not equal to pi by 2, 3 if x is equal to pi by 2. Now find the k value. Here the function is continuous at k. Same way, there is some simplification based on trigonometry. That is the only technique here. Answer is 6. Please note that point. Now here it is continuous means limit x tends to. Yeah, I want to take some space. I want to use. Yes. Here limit x tends to pi by 2. Okay. F of x is equal to f of pi by 2. We know that here x is equal to pi by 2 means the value is 3. Yes or no? So here I want to take limit x tends to pi by 2. Okay, this function k cos x by pi minus 2x is equal to 3. Now, what is our simplification here? Here I want to use here x minus pi by 2. I will convert like this. Limit x minus pi by 2 tends to 0. Okay. K cos x by pi minus 2x is equal to 3. I will treat this as a h. What is x? X minus pi by 2 is equal to h. X is equal to h plus pi by 2. Right. So therefore, limit h tends to 0, k into what is cos? X means cos h plus pi by 2 by what is pi minus 2. Okay, h plus pi by 2. That is equal to 3. And there is one more step. I want to simplify the denominator. Limit h tends to 0. Here k cos h plus pi by 2. The denominator I want to take pi minus 2h minus pi. Are you understand? Simplify 2 to cancel, right? So pi cancel. Here I got the answer is 3 is already there. Now k is common and pi by 2 minus h. H is equal to, okay. So what is pi by 2 plus h? It is a second coordinate, right? So here I want to take that minus sign. Yes or no? Minus limit h tends to 0, k into minus sin h by minus 2h is equal to 3. Minus minus cancel. Why you get minus sin h? Cos pi by 2 plus x minus sin x, like that. So here k into limit h tends to 0 sin h by h and 2 is also outside is equal to 3. We know this value. Limit h tends to 0 sin h by h. Exactly 1. So k by 2, 1 is equal to 3, k is equal to 6. This is your answer. So first of all, this is a function and also given this function is continuous at x is equal to pi by 2. So this is the formula for that. So now at pi by 2 the value is 3. So I will take that 3 and carry up to the last step. That is right hand side. Now the left hand side, what I am doing now? Limit x tends to pi by 2, k cos x by x minus h. Now I want to substitute here. I got denominator 0, right? For that reason, I will take this substitution. X minus pi by 2 0. That means here I want to get this formula. For that reason, there is a simplification. Please observe that point. Right? So therefore, limit h tends to 0, k into cos pi by 2 plus h, pi by 2 plus x, it is 9 minus sin h, right? Minus sin h. And denominator simplify minus 2h. Minus minus cancel. Sin h by h is equal to 1. K by 2 is equal to 3, k is equal to 6. Exactly, it is a very, very important problem and a number of times they are given. Right. Next I will take another point, another problem. So determine the function f of x. So here I want to show that f of x is a continuous. X square into 1 by x if x not equal to 0, 0 if x is equal to 0. This is a normal problem, not like the previous problems. So first of all, here I want to take that limit x tends to 0, f of x is equal to f of 0, then only it is continuous at a particular point. So first of all I want to take, what is f of 0? It is clearly f of 0 is equal to 0. Now I want to take this one and prove equal to 0, then it is continuous. Limit x tends to 0, x square into sine 1 by x. So here sine 1 by x is indicates that it is going to infinity, right? So but here the value is not like this. Here the value is equal to x square, it will be the value lies between -1 to 1. Whatever you want to give the value input, the range of the sin x is -1 to 1. That is a finite. And here the limit is there, that will be 0, right? So 0 into a finite value is equal to 0. So therefore it is continuous. This is the solution for that problem. So same like this, there is a 25th problem that is also the same manner. And this is not that much of easy. Already the previous problems are very easy, and there is one more problem, two more problems, right? I want to explain two more problems. Yes. Fine. This question is given 2018 March. F of x is equal to ax plus 1 if x less than or equal to 3, bx plus 3 if x greater than 3. It is continuous at x is equal to 3, right? It is continuous at x is equal to 3. For that reason I want to take like this, limit x tends to 3 minus f of x, that is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus f of x is equal to f of 3. So here they don't want to calculate a and b value. What is the relation between a and b, right? So for that, here I want to take limit x tends to 3 minus, what is minus here? So it is ax plus 1 is equal to limit x tends to 3 plus, what happened? Bx plus 3. So I want to substitute here, it will be 3a plus 1 and it will be 3b plus 3. So I want to take 3a minus 3b. So b this side and that will be 2. So you want to take like this, a minus b is equal to 2 by 3 or a is equal to 2 by 3 plus b. Whatever you want to take, that is a relation between a and b. This is also easy question and important, already given in 2018 4 marks question. I think last question, then we close this section. Okay. So it is nearly the value of the function f of x This is given 2017 July. Lambda x square minus 2x, x square minus 2x, if x less than or equal to 0, if x less than or equal to 0, and 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1, if x greater than 0, if x greater than 0, then it is continuous at x is equal to 0. And what about continuous at x is equal to 1? So they are asking at 0 what happened, at x is equal to 1 what happened. This is they are asking about in that. So here at x is equal to 0, okay, we want to take this as f of 0. What is f of 0? Here f of 0 is equal to lambda into 0 minus 0, therefore we get 0. So, and right hand limit, the chance is limit x tends to 0 plus, that means this 4x plus 1, that is 4 into 0 plus 1, that means 1, it is not equal to f of 0. Yes or no? So clearly right hand limit is not equal to that 0 value, right? So therefore there is no value of lambda. The conclusion here is there is no value of lambda. Okay, f of x is continuous, not continuous at x is equal to 0 for all values. That means there is no value of lambda, f is continuous. Now see, what is at x is equal to 1? What happened? X is equal to 1 is greater than, right? So therefore f of 1 value is equal to 4 into 1 plus 1, that will be 5. And also limit x tends to 1 minus or 1 plus, because both will be greater than, that means same function. So limit f of x is equal to, okay, limit x tends to 1, f of x is 4x plus 1. So simplify, you get 5. This is your function f of 1. So therefore this is continuous at x is equal to 0, okay, and not continuous at x is equal to 0, continuous at x is equal to 1. And one more thing, what value of lambda it is continuous, they are asking in 2017. Okay, so clearly we say that there is no value of lambda, it is continuous. Thank you one and all. We finished this topic and continuous is over. Now we start freshly differentiability, and all these questions there is one 4 marks question. Please note that point. 10 questions I discussed here. From this there is a 1 4 marks question. Thank you one and all.